Hi, Saras. Omu ye for no mina. Announce lot of mina. He poke up with chatella. Because he at all of that check it out. Lone. Because with the nila tapita ma. Because Pasuka cheated me. Oh, because take with a sabbatical. No. Obwe with a mini retirement. No, the Nikini. Pe obwe kaya pokwa de ne yigama homeschool. When in Tareta Clinic by no. The Nia I la June, Mana, but Chamula like a get her. Talababa Madu, oh, don't do it. Baba, but he lay hard in a bag of donga lucky. Lone, Bagabam, Ma Shalogida, Bagaba Bora, Baga. Tapatalin of Gapaka, a suitcase, they got keep flat, we're only gonna keep 2 suitcases each. Yeah. A honey, Talababa Madu, do it, Pasatanaki. Masam Yawa, no, maybe Pesat, Paki Ule Yukona, Killa Ule Yuko, Opelari the Tepian Rivana. Pasatanai Bagaki, oh, the knee, kidney with that topane, not to let kidney ha. But they say, Paki La Obla, Port a favor, but by Hagit do Fiji, Pasatanaki do. But me had it talk like you owe me the paper, me had it talk like you do, but the Depiana, no. The Naki, but update now, but Taratacla, but Okato, la, June Kakawane, Kamada Jale, but update with the Jeva, no. La Lozeru, Tapitama, Pala Tapitama, but Napa Vacha Willy. No, but Pode, Paqua, Hala. Homeschooling, but much a little bit with a nolly. Taputali, the Hodine, Bagaba Mashala Jale Jale, directly have Willie. Don't know. I wouldn't Okwayana, but update zero, I can get a landing mother Jale.
To buy Hilla that family, that's a Toru Avana. Then it in the Gaumul and the Yalam. And the other Hiara, a Setala, Pong, the Mare.
Why do you think you are supporting mommy's and papa's idea of moving to Thailand for a couple of years and you are going to be homeschooling? How do you feel about it?
I don't have to go to school.
Is that what you're excited about? What's so bad about school?
I have to go pack a lunch.
You don't like packing lunch?
No, I just like getting up in the morning and doing nothing.
Am I teaching you to be lazy? You can do whatever you want, but it's still important to spend time for what? Learning, family time, exercise, eating good food, talking to our loved ones, whether friends or families. Yeah, every day is still important to do those things even though you are not at school. Ma bacha bueno, chilata, bye bye.